Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, on Sunday graced Sports MEET-CUM-92nd anniversary celebrations of Mao Students Union (MSU) at Punanamei in Senapati district, organized under the theme "Empowering the Future Through Sports." The governor also unveiled a commemorative monolith marking over 9 decades of MSU service since its establishment in 1933. MLA of 48 Mao Assembly Constituency L. Dikho, Dr. Lorho S. Fauze, President of NPP Manipur State Unit and former Lok Sabha MP, Deputy Commissioner and SP of Senapati, MSU President, along with other dignitaries, attended the program. Addressing the gathering, the governor said the event conveyed a strong message of solidarity, encouragement and national support, reaffirming collective commitment to equitable development, wider opportunities and lasting harmony across the state, while highlighting Senapati district's rich cultural heritage and vast untapped potential.